Welcome to Florida Drone Supply, your #1 source for the latest in drone technology. Today we're taking a look at the Phantom 4 Multispectral from DJI. Combining both multispectral imaging and RTK technology into a single package, this high-precision drone is ideal for agricultural missions, environmental monitoring, and more. Here at Florida Drone Supply, it's our goal to help you get the most from your drone technology. So in this video, we'll be going over what the Phantom 4 Multispectral can do, so you can decide if it's the right drone for you. The Phantom 4 Multispectral is available for purchase today at floridadronesupply.com. Throughout all growing seasons, multispectral imagery can be helpful to agricultural professionals by providing information that is invisible to the human eye across the electromagnetic spectrum. Data collection is now more simple and efficient than ever before, with a built-in stabilized imaging system that collects comprehensive data sets right out of the box. Easily access and process aerial data collected by one RGB camera and a multispectral camera array of 5 cameras covering blue, green, red edge, and near-infrared bands, all at 2 megapixels with global shutter on a 3-axis stabilized gimbal. With access to this data, along with the vegetation index data such as NDRE and NDVI, farmers can make timely, informed decisions on crop treatment and implement targeted action on areas that need attention based on accurate drone data, lowering costs, saving resources, and maximizing yields. DJI has created this platform with the same powerful performance standards that DJI is known for, including a max flight time of up to 27 minutes and a max transmission range of over 4 miles with the OcuSync system. You can also easily plan flights, execute automated missions, and manage flight data using GS Pro, DJI's flight planning iOS app. An integrated spectral sunlight sensor on top of the drone maximizes accuracy and consistency of data collection through different times of day. When combined with post-processed data, this information helps to obtain the most accurate NDVI results. The Phantom 4 Multispectral also allows you to view both RGB and NDVI feeds. Switch between a preliminary NDVI analysis and the live RGB feed to immediately visualize where attention is needed, so targeted treatment decisions can be made quickly. Get real-time, centimeter-level accurate positioning data on images captured by all 6 cameras with DJI's TimeSync system. The TimeSync system continually aligns the flight controller, RGB and NB cameras, and RTK module, fixing the positioning data to the center of the CMOS sensor and ensuring each photo uses the most accurate metadata. All cameras go through a rigorous calibration process where radial and tangential lens distortions are measured. The distortion parameters gathered are then saved into each image's metadata, letting post-processing software adjust uniquely for every user. Enhance the accuracy of RTK positioning by connecting the Phantom 4 Multispectral to the DRTK2 High Precision Mobile Station, or by using N-Trip. Insights from multispectral data can also be used to monitor forest health, measure biomass, map shorelines, or manage vegetation while protecting habitats or ecosystems, and much more, making routine inspections and maintenance smarter and more efficient when using the Phantom 4 Multispectral. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful. Comment below if you have any questions about the Phantom 4 Multispectral, or if you have any suggestions for what you would like us to cover in our future videos. And subscribe to our channel if you're interested in seeing more tips, tricks, and news relating to the world of drones. Or visit us at our website at www.floridadronesupply.com for more information and deals on products like this one.